Please, Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 6, Lordship. This matter may be, yes, Lordship, listed after 2 weeks, Lordship.
You're for the.
I'm for the petitioner, Lordship.
Have you taken the consent?
Yes, Lordship.
The respondent?
Yes, Lordship.
Mr. Simmons, Learned Counsel for the petitioner has prayed for adjournment of the matter with the consent from the other side. In view of the above, list after 2 weeks.
2 weeks, Lordship. We oblige.
Fix your ladyship. I would like to mention item number 29, which is listed for hearing today. In this item, we are the new engaged council. So I need time, 3 weeks time for. So I have taken consent from the other side, respondent side.
Mr. So-and-so, Learned Counsel for the petitioner has prayed for adjournment of the matter with the consent from the other side by submitting that he has been newly engaged in the matter and needs now further time to prepare. In view of the above, list the matter after
After 3 weeks, your
3
ladyship.
weeks.
Much obliged.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 18 for adjournment. Can the matter be,
The consent.
yes. Can the matter be fixed after 1 week?
No, for the petitioner,
Yes,
is a name here?
Yes.
Process.
yes.
Mr. So-and-so, Learned Counsel for the petitioner has prayed for adjournment of the matter with the consent from the other side. In view of the above, list the matter in the next week.
My lord, I beg to mention item number 11, 12, 13, 14, my lord.
All connected matters?
Yes, my lord. The standing council is out of station.
So have you informed the respondent?
Yes, my lord.
Mention is made on behalf of Mr.
Impertinent.
M. Curtin, Learned Senior Counsel for the petitioner for adjournment of the matter since the Learned Senior Counsel being an outstation counsel is not able to appear today. So it is also submitted that the consent from the other side has been taken. In view of the above, list after
2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Much obliged.
Here, I think to mention item number 7. Behalf of standing council. Education department. Matter may be fixed after 3 weeks. Taken consent from all. Okay.
Mention is made on behalf of Mr. So-and-so, Learned Standing Counsel for School Education Department for adjournment of the matter with the consent from the other side. In view of the work list after 2 weeks.
May I, Your Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 30, Your Lordship. This matter to be listed after 3 weeks. Yes, Your Lordship, hearing matter.
Consent of the petitioner is taken.
Yes, Your Lordship.
So-and-so, Learned Government Advocate has prayed for adjournment of the matter with the consent from the other side. In view of the above, again list after 2 weeks.
3 weeks, Your Lordship.
3 weeks.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Item number 1.
May your ladyship, this is a admitting the non-payment of bill amount by the respondent authorities. Already work has been executed.
How much is the amount?
Amount is, your ladyship, 1 crore 39 lakhs 29,857, which are admitted by the respondent that the work has been executed, completed. This is an additional work order issued during time of monsoon season when there was a landslide, clearance of the smokes.
Sure, comments, notice, let's see.
Yes, sir.
Third, Mr. So, Learned Counsel for the petitioner who has filed the instant writ petition under Article 2 to 6 of the Constitution of India for issuance of the appropriate writ or order on the grounds that the petitioner what your synopsis says something else.
I've mentioned in your ladyship in my
Okay, you're the
also there.
contractor.
Contractor, I'm in the power of attorney holder on behalf of proprietor MS Barapani Enterprise, executed the work.
Okay, the contractor, the petitioner had executed the works for maintenance and repair work, is it?
Yes,
Of two laning of existing Akajan
it
Dikabali.
will be your ladyship
That-
additional maintenance work. Additional.
Okay, execution of additional maintenance and repair work of two laning of existing Akajan Dikabali dash Bame Road on EPC basis from design KM 12 plus 0002 33 plus 000 in the state of Arunachal Pradesh and the completion of the additional work. Where's the additional work?
Additional work is at NHR.
No, what is the name of the additional work?
Additional work is
Same.
same clearance,
And for the completion
maintenance
of
of
the
clearance work.
additional work with respect to the same stretch of road. So, the learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the petitioner on completion of the work had submitted his bill amounting to rupees 1 crore 39 lakhs 29,867. However, the respondents failed to take any steps for paying of the same amount, though they have admitted that he has completed the same works. A notice of motion be issued to the respondents. Mr. So and so accepts notice on behalf of respondent number 1. Notice be issued to the remaining respondents to register post with AD within 3 working days, returnable by 3 weeks. List after 3 weeks.
Much of it.
Item number 2.
Yes.
Yes, I'm. We are, my lord, APO, my lord, Assistant Project Officer, my lord, petitioner, my lord, in the Department of Education, my lord. Now, in this case, my lord, in the Education Department, my lord, there are 32 posts known as Assistant District Education Officer. Now it is BEO, my lord, and 36 posts of Assistant Project Adult Education Supervisor, my lord. Now it is Assistant Project Officer, my lord. This is BEO and APO, my lord. Now this, my lord, to set up officer employee, my lord, performing similar duty, my lord, similar role, my lord, in the department, my lord. Now there say 2010 Act, my lord, rule, my lord, rule.
New rules.
Rule, my 2010, my rule, my lord, that I have educated. In terms of rule also, my lord, our duty and function are similar, my lord. Now what happened in, but now, my lord, this block education officer, my lord, has been gazetted B status, my lord. And
Block education officer.
my lord, now the recruitment rule has been framed, my lord, in their for this post, my lord. Accordingly, my lord, since inception, my lord, with this 2 class of officer, my lord, who is Same
class, block education officer and
and APO, my lord. We are APO, my lord. We submitted representation in 2017, my lord.
ADEO.
APO, my lord. APO, my lord. We are APO, my lord. Assistant Project Officer, my lord.
Okay, wait, let's see, where's that? Okay, huh.
We
APO.
submit a representation, my lord, paying similar benefit like a BEO, my lord. Now, that was initiated, my lord. Even cabinet,
Okay, the rules have placed the BEO higher than APO. Is it? Where's the rules?
no,
No,
not
that's
exactly,
what-
my lord, not higher, my lord, but they have been now, there is recruitment rule is there, my lord. Now they have been given gazetted officer, my lord. Now, in our case, my lord,
Okay, BEO is gazetted officer,
gazetted B, my lord, gazetted
Ah,
B,
B.
B. Now,
but APO is not gazetted.
not gazetted in no recruitment rule in expense of no
Okay, so you also want to be gazetted
Yeah.
as BEO.
BEO, my lord. According to your submitted representation, my lord. Now,
But
that
on what grounds do you want to be the same as BEO? BEO are all trained graduate teachers.
yes, my lord.
Are you also trained graduate teacher?
Yes, my lord. See, earlier it was same, my lord, similar, my lord. Now,
Okay,
Yeah,
earlier you were the same.
yeah,
Is it?
my lord will come here, page number 60, my lord, or page number 60, my lord. Even my lord, rule recognize, my lord, we are same, my lord. Page number 60, my lord, 60, my lord.
Okay, this is not a challenge to the rule, but this is a challenge to the fact that you are not,
Our
you're not
representation,
challenging the rule.
no, no, my lord.
I just want to make sure of that.
We are saying, my lord, let our representation be considered, my lord. That was in the 2017, my lord.
But where does it show that you are not in par with BEO?
My lord, it can be page number 60, my lord.
60, yes.
Down below J, after K, my lord, K, my lord, rule K, my lord. Assistant District Education Officer, my lord.
That is you, isn't it?
No, my
No,
lord. Assistant,
okay.
under bracket, my lord, will see, it is Block Education Officer, BEO, my lord.
BEO, okay.
Slash, my lord,
okay.
Assistant Project Officer, my lord.
Okay, but you are not, you're just saying APO is not there.
It's
So
not.
you want APO to be.
APO is there, my Assistant Project Officer is there, my lord.
Where?
Just after
Okay,
BEO, my
so what's wrong? You all are placed
No.
together.
Yeah, my lord. In terms of rule, my lord. In terms of rule, my lord will see, my lord, we are performing same similar duty, my lord. We are having, but there, but thereafter, my lord, what the department did, my lord, they have now framed a rule for this BEO, my lord, and given a gazetted B designation also, my lord.
Where's that?
That, my lord, will see at page number 63, my lord, type out, my lord.
So this is a notification.
Notification, my lord.
That they are placed. So you want a similar notification to be issued for.
Yes, my lord, truly, my lord. Therefore, at this stage, my lord, my humble let notice may be go, my lord. I have any documents, my lord. Say, now that was initiated on our representation, my lord. The department considered, my lord, but that was absurdly withheld, my lord. After that, my lord will say one page number 150, my lord.
Okay, so you want to be placed in a similar status.
Yes.
It's not any challenge to the rule or notification. I just wanted to make sure if you're challenging any subsequent rule that
No, my lord, no.
cannot be. Okay, will issue notice that.
Yes, yes.
Yes, heard Mr. So, learned counsel for the petition who has filed to the instant writ petition. The Article 226 of the Constitution of India for the issuance of the appropriate writ or order being aggrieved by the action of the respondents, wherein the block education officer within brackets BEO and the assistant project officer APO earlier used to be used to be given the same status. However, the respondents had issued a notification dated 28/04/2050, wherein the block education officers within brackets BEO were given the status of a gazetted officer. Is that
Yes, my lord.
dash B? B, is it gazetted officer?
B, gazetted.
A dash B, whereas no similar status has been given to the writ petitioners. Being aggrieved by the said action of the respondents, the instant writ petition has been stopped. Notice of motion be issued to the respondents. Mr. So-and-so, learned standing counsel for
Appearing on behalf of Ethan.
Mr. So-and-so appearing on behalf of Mr. Italu, standing counsel for respondents number
One in
one and two. And Miss So-and-so, learned government advocate accepts notice on behalf of respondent number three. Anyone else?
No, my lord.
No need to-
Only three, my lord.
need to issue a formal notice. Represent extra copies of the writ petition to be furnished to the learned councils for the respondents. List after 3 weeks.
Obvious, my lord.
Item number 3,
My lords.
Yes.
Lordship, by this petition, the petitioner are challenging the LPCs illegally issued to the 31 individual, private individuals over the land of petitioner, Lordship.
Okay, you are the owner.
Yes, Lordship. Lordship, may kindly turn to page number 54 and 56. These are the Keva decision, Lordship, held in 2009, Lordship, wherein the ownership of the land in question has been declared in favor of the petitioner, Lordship.
Who is the petitioner?
Lordship, there are as many as
Okay,
100.
petitioners.
Yes,
Ah,
petitioners, Lordship.
okay. One.
Now, this is a Lordship common land, community land, Lordship. Lordship, by order dated Kaba decision 2009, the land in question, the right and ownership of the land in question has been declared in favor of the petitioners, Lordship. Now, Lordship, what happened? By issuing the LPCs to the private individuals of 31 private individuals, the Deputy Commissioner, the then Deputy Commissioner, Lower Siang District, has issued the LPCs to those who are not a resident, even a resident of the Likabali Township. Lordship.
Okay, so are you presently residing in that landed property?
Yes, Lordship. These are the common land of 3 clans, Lordship. Ruti, Muda, and Taipodia clan, Lordship. But the LPCs has been issued to those who are not even a resident of that particular and even not a member of that 3 clans, Lordship.
So what will happen? How will they take possession if you are still residing there?
Yes, Lordship. That's why,
Is there any eviction order, anything? Nothing?
no, Lordship, I have filed a representation before Deputy Commissioner, but that representation is not being heard. And Lordship,
When was the NPCs? 2021?
2021.
But the said owners, the new ones, they have not taken any steps.
No, Lordship, even these LPC holders, even they are not taking the possession of the land since this is a agricultural land, Lordship.
So you're not disturbed, you're still the owner.
Lordship, by issuing these LPCs, my rights over the land are being prejudiced, Lordship. Now, Lordship, may kindly see the number, even number of the LPCs, Lordship. Page number 57 onward, Lordship.
But since you are still occupying and the said owners are, they're not trying to evict you or anything.
But Lordship, the manner in which the,
So what, you are still there, they're not going to do anything, then ultimately, maybe they'll say that people already residing, we cannot take ownership and it could be cancelled also without filing a petition.
but the way
You're
the,
not disturbed at all.
as of now, there is no such, Lordship, but
It's
by,
2021.
Yes, Lordship.
4 years, they are not taking any steps.
now, Lordship, the fact is revealed only through the RTI, that when the petitioners file an RTI, only the fact comes, Lordship. Now, Lordship, may kindly see the numbers of
LPCs have not been cancelled. Your ownership has not been cancelled. Sid, how are you the owner?
No, Lordship, these
Sir.
private individuals has been issued the LPCs over my land, over the land of petitioners, Lordship.
So how are you the owner?
Lordship, by Kaba decision 2009, the land,
Cover decision.
yes,
So
page number
suppose-
54, Lordship.
Okay, supposing there's a decision that you should be the owner, then aren't you issued some LPCs or some legal document showing that you are the owner?
No, Lordship,
Don't have
in
anything.
village area, Lordship, there is no such,
Okay,
this is a purely agricultural land, Lordship. But how these private individuals obtain the LPCs? By fraudulent way. And while issuing the LPCs to the private individuals, the deputy commissioner has, Lordship may kindly see the numbers also, Lordship. Single number, single file number, Lordship. LPCs number, all the 31 LPCs are same number, Lordship.
no, my only concern, I will issue notice, but I'm just curious. You are the petitioners, you
Yes.
say you claim to be the owners.
Yes,
You claim to be the owners based on a decision of the Kiba decision.
yes, Lordship.
Okay, but you are not issued any certificate claiming your ownership like LPC, nothing is issued to you
No, Lordship, since this is a village land, community land,
because you reside.
Yes.
yours. So
this is agricultural land, Lordship. No, I am not residing over there, Lordship, since I am cultivating that particular land, Lordship.
you should notice that's it.
Lordship may kindly come to the page number 305, Lordship. Here the applicant, they have applied for the 5,000 square meter of land only. But the deputy commissioner, while issuing the LPCs, they have issued the LPCs of 50,000 square meter.
Okay, so LPCs cannot be issued over agricultural land, is it?
Yes, Lordship. Lordship, LPCs can be issued, Lordship, but from my land, how the deputy commissioner can issue the land LPCs to the other person, Lordship?
That's what, no?
Yes,
I'm
Lordship.
just curious because you're claiming.
Lordship, 300, page number
based
3.
On only Kibam decision,
Yes, Lordship.
but anyways. we'll-
Yes, we are in possession since time immemorial, Lordship.
Yeah,
Yes, Lordship.
okay, how you are claiming ownership.
Otherwise, Lordship may
Kibam
kindly
decision.
dispose of the matter in this motion stage also by
How?
directing the deputy commissioner to dispose of the pending representation.
Okay, you have made representations
Yes,
dated.
21 July 2025. It's at page 338.
I don't know, you should show you that you're the rightful owner, but anyways, so you, 338 is a representation.
Yeah,
is it?
The deputy commissioner is the authority issuing and also we can review also. So he's the authority.
Okay, we'll dispose of
Yes, Lordship.
the writ petition. I heard Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner, who has filed the instant writ petition under Article 226 of the Constitution, strained for the issuance of the appropriate writ or direction to the respondents for setting aside the 31 LPCs issued in favor of the private respondents, arrayed as respondents number
Respondent number 6 to
36
36.
over the landed properties of the petitioners at Siri area / land within brackets near river Nark of Shiri close bracket under Tangkul circle, Lower Siang district, Arunachal Pradesh. Also. The learned counsel for the petitioner submitted that the petitioners were declared were given a title and ownership over the state landed area, which was already declared in circle level Kibam conducted in the year 2009 by Kibam decision order number K&K, all in capital, K/JDL within brackets K/0809 dated 28 April 2009. Full stop. The petitioners have been in peaceful possession of the said landed area by cultivating the said landed by cultivating the said land. Full stop. However, the deputy commissioner had Then Deputy Commissioner, arrayed as respondent number,
6 or 5 Lordship.
issued land possession certificate to the 31 private respondents who are not even the residents of Likapali. Full stop. Being aggrieved by the said action of the Deputy Commissioner, the petitioners had filed a representation dated 21/07/2025 for the Deputy Commissioner to cancel the said LPCs issued to the respondents. However, till date, there has been no response to the same representation, hence the petition full stop. The Learning Council for the petitioner further submits that the extended petition can be disposed of at the motion stage by directing the Deputy Commissioner to respond to and reconsider the LPCs issued to the private respondents within a reasonable period.
Good. Period, Lordship. Specific time, 1 month.
Then period of 1 month. Mr. So-and-so, the government advocate.
Yes.
Submits that considering the nature of the prayer made by the petitioner, the instant writ petition can be disposed with the direction to the Deputy Commissioner to respond to the representation filed by the petitioner stated so and so. Hearing the submissions made by the learned counsels for both the parties, this court find it appropriate to dispose of the petition at the motion stage itself, instead of going into the merits of the case by directing the Deputy Commissioner, which place?
Lower Siang.
Lower Siam, to dispose of the representation filed by the petitioners dated so and so 21/07/2025. Within a period of 1 month from the date of receiving the certified copy of this order. Stop. The Deputy Commissioner shall dispose of the said representation with a speaking order, keeping in view the principles of fairness and equity. Accordingly, the petition number so and so stands disposed of.
If Lordship may kindly make an observation till till pending disposal of the.
No,
petition.
You are not disturbed. To 2021, you're still cultivating things.
Lordship, one is small correction. Deputy Commissioner is the respondent number 4, Lordship, not 5.
Okay. Slash respondent.
Deputy.
Item number 4.
This petition is basically a petition for a contractor's bill. And what has happened, my lord? 2024, the petitioner was awarded a work order for construction of road pursuant to an IT process matter. The unsuccessful candidate whose bid in the technical bid itself was rejected. Then he filed a writ petition challenging the work order issued to me, my lord. If your lordship kindly turns to page 22, is the order passed in the writ petition filed by the unsuccessful candidate. Start from page 22. And if your lordship kindly comes to the operative part of the order at page 40, my lord.
What does it say?
At the bottom, my lord, para 28, in view of the aforesaid facts and circumstances and the discussions made above, this court is left with no other option but to interfere with the impugned order just went so by which the technical bit of the petitioner was rejected. Consequently, all consequential action, including the issue of letter of intent and the work order in favor of respondent number 5. I was the respondent number 5 in this matter. Stand interfered with and are accordingly set aside. So my work order was set aside. The remaining part of the work is to be accessed and the same is required to be allotted to L1 bidder who is found eligible in accordance with law. It is however made clear that so far as the works done by respondent number 5, that is my client madam, in the meantime is concerned, there will be no restrictions towards payment and release of the bills to the said respondent number 5. Since there was no stay in the writ petition, whatever progress I have made in the construction of work my lord pursuant to the work order, bills for that period my lord should be paid to me. That was the direction.
So
But my-
is the work done by you
Yes, till then,
till then?
because there was no stay.
Huh.
Now, I
Till
was,
then,
till then.
then after that you stopped working.
no, after that, my lord, I filed a writ appeal.
Huh.
In the writ appeal, Lord will find page 42. There was a stay.
Okay.
The table starts from page 42, my lord. Operative part at page 46, my lord. Last paragraph, my lord. Paragraph 15. In the meanwhile, the effect and operation of the impugned judgment and order dated so and so passed by land single judge in WPC number so and so shall remain stayed.
So if it's stayed, that
Then I
means-
continue to
wait,
work.
Wait, what is,
Effect of the stay is I will continue to work. Because my letter of intent to award of work to me, my lord, was interfered with at page
so,
41.
so you cannot, be made payment to release the bill. That has been also stayed.
No, my lord. So far as work is concerned, it is an interim order. Work, I continue to work.
Okay, let's
Ah.
see how.
Now,
Ah.
my lord, during the process of, that was an interim order passed in the writ appeal. Now, during the process, continuance of the writ appeal, my lord, an order was passed at page 47, it starts, my lord. And 49 is the operative part, where the question is how much progress I have made in execution of the work. Page 49, Lordship will find there are 3. Lordship has got page 49, madam. There are 3. We have perused the report submitted by the superintending engineer, Rural Works Circle, Itanagar, which indicates that the overall achievement in percentage of work is 59.79%. So that was recorded on 3rd of July 2025. The writ appeal was not disposed of even by this order. It was disposed of subsequently, which your
So read
lordship,
the next paragraph.
well, yes. Having considered that the appellant has executed the work with certain amount of progress at nearly 60% of the entire work, we are of the view that if the work is stayed, because they wanted to stay, work is stayed, it would be against the interest of the public. However, considering the issues raised by the parties, it is provided that the award of work in question shall be subject to the outcome of this writ appeal. It is made clear that maintainability of the writ petition, a continuation of proceedings in this writ appeal is kept open. That was an interim order in between, no final order. Then, my lord, final order was passed at page 51, whereby my writ appeal was dismissed. The operative part of the order, my lord, you will find at page 62. We therefore do not find any reason to disagree with the findings of the learned single judge and accordingly dismiss the appeal. Further, in view of the dismissal of the writ appeal, we do not find it necessary to examine the arguments made by the rival parties in the interlocutory application, as the same would only be an academic discussion, and moreover, when it was not an issue in the writ petition, the interlocutory application is therefore closed and disposed of. Interlocutory application was filed challenging the maintainability of the writ appeal. So court has said we are not going into that, but on merit, the writ appeal was dismissed filed by me. Till then, this order was passed, my lord. Lord, you will find at page 53, it is mentioned on 16/9/2025. Till then, I continued to work. Thereafter, my work was stopped because the writ appeal was dismissed. Now, a fresh process will be undertaken and whoever is L1, that he will be granted because respondent, the private respondent, sorry, the writ petitioner who filed the writ petition, he's according to him, he is the L1. So they will undertake the first process. I am not on that matter. I am not on getting the work back matter. But after dismissal of this writ appeal, I am interested only in getting the payment of the works which I have.
So how much work have you done?
My Lordship will kindly see page 63. They have assessed how much work I have done and what is the bill I am entitled. Page 63 is the first bill. Enclosed with the superintending engineer has written to the empowered officer ARRDA, page 63, my lord. Enclosed, please find here with the requisition of bank authorization under RWD Chayang Taju after necessary recommendation for the VBIP. VBIP is my lord, Village Vibrant Program. Road works as follows. It is 7.79 crores, and then page 65. Page 65, Lordship will kindly see.
So bills are submitted, the engineer has also
Approved.
written for the payment, necessary action.
Yes.
So all you have to do is wait a bit, isn't it? Is there any order saying that they cannot pay?
No, they are not paying. They are not paying because they are saying that your retail is dismissed. My retail is
Where's
dismissed.
that? Where's that?
Well,
Refusing to pay.
they have not said, my lord, issued any order as such, but then they have informed to me. What can I say?
So you made an application, this is very recent, 16/10/2025.
Yes, but now that I am not executing the work anymore, I am interested to get back my money. Well, page 14, Lordship will kindly said page 25 I mentioned.
So there's nothing that they're saying they're not going to pay.
They have not,
16/10, so it's how many? 1 week, 2 weeks? Wait for some time, maybe they'll pay
my lord, no,
unless there's some,
no, my submission before Lordship is, so far as the officers are concerned, my lord, the process is complete. Even it has, the approval has come from the bank also that it can be paid. But that they're not releasing the amount in favor of the petitioner. Unnecessarily withhold, they cannot withhold. When the work which I have completed is more than 60% admittedly, my lord, this court is passed in order. And our bills which I am entitled to are 60, one is 7.79 and page 66, Lord will find another bill for 4.44, which I mentioned in para 25 in page 14.
Anyway, let them get instructions, because if he is also cooperating, giving the bill.
Yes.
And money is also there. So I have a feeling it's just waiting for a few days, and then you would,
Lordship,
unless
Lordship.
there's some written communication
my lord,
saying that it's not going to be given to you, then you have the reason.
my lord, what?
It's
well,
very recent, 16/10,
recent.
2025.
Listen, my lord.
At the end of the month, or maybe the beginning of the new
That is
month,
why-
you could be given.
That is why I'm saying, my lord, Lordship may issue notice on the interim player. In the meantime, if they pay, it's all right. If they do not pay, Lordship will take a call, my lord.
Because it's not a matter of this is a case where they're refusing to give you the payment also, because your application for release, it's a releasing of the amount.
My lord, regarding
Uh,
seven, person who has to release the pay the bill is respondent number 5. So since he is no more, now new executive has to be posted there. So that
That
may be also
incident,
incident.
incident, Lordship knows.
okay,
Yeah.
then implement application you have to file first.
No, my
In the
lord,
meantime,
I have not implemented my name, my lord, so I need not. I have not implemented him by name.
Okay.
He's the officer, engineer.
Officer,
Whoever
engineer.
comes, he will be the person.
Now new has to be posted.
We can wait, my lord, difficult.
And I issue notice.
Lordship may issue notice at this stage. On the interim prayer also, Lordship may issue notice fixing it
Will it
after 2
notice
weeks.
In the meantime, maybe because it's not a
Maybe.
case where the respondents are refusing.
Refusing,
Yes.
yes.
It's the matter of waiting for a few days.
My
Anyways, we issue notice.
lord.
But then how do we issue notice when there's no allegation that they have not,
Yes.
My lord, allegations
they
are
have
there.
refused to pay?
No, my lord, they are not clearing the bill despite all these things, my lord. My lordship, may kindly see page 15, para 27.
But when was this thing, letter of the EE saying that the bill has to be cleared?
That is on 18th of August 25. Even from the bank side, everything is
18
clear.
August.
August, madam.
Then all this.
More than
incident
2
happens,
months.
Someone is going to take place, something is going to take place.
My lord, my survey,
See, the council, is there, is present. I don't know. When there is no specific allegation that they are refusing to pay.
my
and
lord, allegation is
it is
there.
still very-
Allegation is there, my lord. Lordship, may kindly see page 15, just for a moment.
15.
Page 15,
Let's see.
para 27. Otherwise, there was no necessity of approaching this on, my lord.
Something has to be there where you have the apprehension that
Right.
you're not going to be paid, because right now, everything seems to be smooth and sailing in your favor.
Yes, yes.
It's just that.
I am only on the
factor.
delay, my lord. They are unnecessarily delaying. There is no need to delay. I should be paid immediately when
Anyway,
the
where's
process is
that
over.
page?
Page 15, my lord.
1-5.
1-5. Para 17. Para 27, at the
Ah.
bottom. Respondent authorities, despite its being repeated requests made by the petitioner for the non-payment of the petitioner pending contractual bills after completion of 70% of the work or total work amounts to arbitrary administrative action and is violative of Article 14. So despite repeated requests, my lord, they are not being paid. And the page 25, 14, para
Where's the
25. was
repeated
there.
request? Only one request I see here, recent one.
No, verbally. Representation, there is one representation.
Anyways,
Lordship may issue notice
we
at
can
this stage.
notice. But to this court, it appears that you are a little bit impatient. You're getting it anyways.
Well,
It's not that
the
it's-
reason is I am not executing the remaining part of the work, so I am only interested in the money.
That's not this thing.
They
That's
will
not the issue
allot-
here.
Yes,
Okay. The work which you have already done.
yes.
And they are clearing your bills, submitting everything is cleared, it's in the bank.
No, from the bank side also there is a clearance. So why they are not paying it? There is no reason, madam.
When was the bank, when did the bank clear your this thing?
Madam, 18th August, Lordship, kindly page 63 and 66.
18 August.
Yes. What was the necessity of unnecessarily withholding it?
We should notice.
Well-
Mr. So learned senior counsel. For the petitioner, assisted by Mr.
P. Bora, madam.
P. Bora, learned counsel. The instant writ petition filed under Article 226 of the Constitution of India for the issuance of the appropriate writ or order to the respondents on the ground that the petitioner
I've executed more than 60% of the work.
having executed more than 60%
My lord.
of the works titled L027 road from Krema Pau to Raro, package number AR030268 under NIT number RWB/C/TAJO/VVP/GE-PRO-01/2024 dated 05/07/2024 had submitted his bills.
My lord.
Amounting to rupees, how much?
Altogether, it will be around
7
12
crores.
12 crore 24 lakhs.
Where's the amount?
Page 13,
Okay.
my lord.
Amounting to rupees 12 crores, 24 lakhs, 37,543.
540.
So, the learned counsel for the senior counsel for the petitioner submits that both the bills were duly certified and forwarded by the superintendent engineer, Rupa Circle to the empowered officer within brackets ARRDA, close bracket, for authorization. Stuff. However, despite such verification and recommendations, the respondent authorities have withheld the payment till date in spite of the several requests and representations made by the petitioner for the release of the said goods. Hence the instant petition. Notice of motion be issued to the respondent, Mr. So-and-so, Learned
Standing council,
Standing Council for
RWD.
RWD accepts notice on behalf of the respondents. No need to issue formal notice. List after 3 weeks, requisite copies of the writ petition to be duly furnished to the learned council for the respondents.
We just mentioned that on the next day, interim pay will be considered.
No, I have a feeling that by the
Finally,
next date, you will be praying for withdrawal of this writ petition since it's already been.
Hopefully, ma'am.
Anyway, the instant writ petition, no, just leave it like that, list after 3 weeks.
No,
Let the date be fixed, 24th, madam. 24th.
On
20.
24/11/20.
Item number 5.
Well, here I'm aggrieved by the non-release of the petitioner from service. The petitioner had applied for VRS in the month of July, and now, as of now, 3 months has already elapsed. And as per the CCS rules 2021, my lord,
Okay, you want to contest the panchayat?
yes, my
elections,
lord.
Which is like to be issued by, so when is the elections?
Elections will be most probably held in month of December. As of now, the lottery for the reservation of women is going on. So most
So you
likely
want voluntary retirement?
voluntary retirement. And most as per reliable sources, my lord, the notification for election it might come by the first week of November. So there's some urgency. So maybe at this stage, my lord, let the council for the standing council take instructions, my lord, as to why the petitioner is not being released, and
We listed in the short date.
yes, my lord, let it be listed on Monday, my lord.
Heard Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner, who has filed the instant writ petition again under Article 226 of the Constitution of India for the issuance of the appropriate writ or order to the respondents on the grounds that the petitioner, who was appointed as agriculture field assistant in brackets junior under the Department of Agriculture on 22/07/1996, having completed more than 29 years of continuous service in the department, had applied for voluntary retirement under the voluntary retirement scheme. However, the respondents have refused to
Not
release.
sorry, they have not said anything so far. Not
Okay,
refused as
however, the respondents have not
passed any order.
bonded to the application made by the petitioner for allowing him to be released on voluntary retirement. The learned counsel for the petitioner further submits that there is urgency in the matter since the petitioner would like to participate and contest the Panchayat elections 2025, for which a notification regarding the elections is likely to be issued soon. In view of your non-submissions, Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel, learned standing counsel, for Department of Agriculture is to get instructions. And thereafter matter be listed again on, give me a date.
Third Monday, madam.
Will
Third
you
of-
be able to get instructions by that day?
Madam,
Okay, on 3rd, 11/2025.
office is here by only 200 meters of less.
Obviously.
Item number 8 and 9.
Yes,
Also, it is connecting matter. Item number 7 is already adjourned.
what, item,
Item number 7 is already, 7 is already adjourned.
okay, so connected,
Yes,
so, then, when item number 7, what order did we pass? Just after?
maybe
Okay, then,
Oh, yes.
no, we'll make it list these matters after 2 weeks, all of them. It's
much all right.
Item number 10.
affidavit in reply.
Your Lordship, I pray for further 2 weeks to file.
Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner has prayed for further time to file his affidavit in reply. In view of the above, this after 2 weeks.
Item number 15 and 16.
The Standing Council Education has yet to file the counter affidavit, Your Lordship. My lord, this matter has been pending since 2 years, Your Lordship. May I pray that
Yes, who's the standing counsel? You are the standing counsel there?
Hearing.
Okay, on behalf of the standing counsel. So what happened?
We have not yet received instruction.
Then you should take
Otherwise-
be more proactive, isn't it? Instead of just waiting. You'll have to file your this thing positively by the next board date. Okay, Miss so-and-so. The counsel for the petitioner is present along with Mr. Arpu, appearing on behalf of Mr. T. Tagum, learned standing counsel for the education department. The learned counsel has prayed for further time to file their counter affidavit by submitting that they have yet to receive instructions. Then, Miss,
Yes, I did.
have you filed your counter?
Just regard.
Okay, Miss so-and-so, learned government advocate submits that since they are just pro forma respondents, they are not required to file their counter affidavit. It has also been brought to the notice of the court that the writ petitions are kept pending, awaiting for the standing counsel for education department to file their counter affidavit for over a year since the filing. Is it?
Yes,
You
Your
give me
Lordship.
the
One-
correct information. I'm not.
Yes, Your Lordship, one of the petition has been pending since 2023 and another one is pending since 2024.
Okay, has been kept pending for over a year, awaiting for the standing counsel to file their counter affidavit. In view of the above, the standing counsel for education department has to file their counter affidavit positively by the next board date, failing which an appropriate order will be passed by the court. That's the matter again after 3 weeks. 3 weeks.
Much obliged.
Item number 17.
My lord, there's another connected matter, Your Lordship. It may be checked along with the WPC 49 of 2025, Your Lordship.
The Miss so-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner submits that there is a similar matter pending, which is registered as WPC number
49,
49 APs of 2025,
25, Your Lordship.
and prayed that both the matters may be listed together. In view of the above, the instant writ petition is to be listed along with WPC number so and so. List both these matters after 2 weeks.
Yes, your lordship. Much obliged, lordship.
Item number 19.
My lord, the
May I sign, my lord? I have instruction appear in this case, my lord. I'll file my authority, my lord. I pray my lord listing of the other three.
So learned counsel for the petitioner is present along with Mr. So and so learned counsel who submits that he has received instructions to appear on behalf of respondent number.
Sole respondent, my
Okay,
lord.
on behalf of this sole respondent and will be filing his wakalatnama shortly.
Sure.
In view of the book, this is the matter after
3
weeks.
3, my lord.
Okay, 3 weeks for the respondents, is for the respondent to file it, show cause, reply.
I love it.
obliged.
Item number 20.
Yes.
Since this matter is in orders, my lord, on the last 2 occasions, they were supposed to file an affidavit in opposition by the private respondent. So, yes,
So private respondent,
Yes, Lordship. I put a private respondent.
so when are you going to file?
Lordship, 3 weeks. Within 3 weeks, we'll file our.
Mr. So and so, learned counsel for the petitioner is present along with Mr. So and so, learned counsel for the private respondents. So the learned counsel for the private respondents has prayed for further time to file the counter. Then Ms. So and so, learned government advocate. For respondents number 1 to 3, have you filed? Yes. Submits that they have already filed the counter. View of the above, this is the matter after
3 weeks, Lordship.
in the meantime, my lord, there's an interim.
meantime interim order passed earlier. The given half shall continue till the next date of this.
Grateful.
Right.
Item number 21.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, the respondent number 5 is not a necessary party, so there may be strike of lordship.
Miss so and so learned counsel for the petitioner.
I'm appearing on behalf of HK Jamo.
Okay, Miss so and so appearing on behalf of Mr.
HK Jamo.
Learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the respondent number 5 is not a necessary party in the instant writ petition and has prayed that she may be allowed to strike off respondent number 5. Praise aloud. The name of respondent number 5 is to be struck off. And registry to do the needful. Then Mr. So and so, learned counsel for respondents number 1 to 4. Is it 1?
Yeah.
That's great. Submits that they have already filed the counter affidavit. Yes. Are you going to file your rejoinder?
No, I have not been instructed, lordship.
In view of the above, this is the matter after 3 weeks.
Lordship, there is also an interim order that may be continued.
Interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next date of this.
Obliged, lordship.
Item number 22.
Yes. That's for 166. None appeared for the petitioner while Miss so and so learned government advocate for the state respondents is present. This is the matter after 4 weeks.
Item number 23.
Yes. None appeared for the petitioner on call while Mr.
My lord, I'm appearing on behalf of Upada.
So and so
Deepam.
appears on behalf of Mr.
Deepam.
Upadhyay, learned standing counsel.
No, respondent number 2.
Counsel for respondent number 2 and Mr. Mato, learned counsel for respondent number
1.
1. This thing, MRTO will be deputy SGI, isn't it?
Right.
For respondent number 1. The learned counsels for the respondents have prayed for further time to file their counter affidavits. Is it? List the matter after 3 weeks.
Item number 24.
Transfer posting matter, my lord, I came for the argument, but the instruction came in just now that my client has joined. So the
Okay.
matter has become infructuous. My lord, will kindly place this joining as part of the record. And then
Heard Mr. Deep Dara, learned counsel for the petitioner, who submits that the incident with petition has become infructuous since the petitioner has joined the post of
Assistant Engineer Sunpara.
assistant engineer, comma, PHE and WS subdivision, comma, Mahadevpur.
No, Lordship, Sunpura.
Sunpura.
Okay. PHE and WS subdivision.
Sun-
isn't it?
Sunpura.
Okay.
From Mahadev.
Sunpura. In terms of the
Tension out that also.
or in terms of the order, so this 26 May, this is put to challenge? No.
Yes.
This is-
Yes, it was.
Okay,
put
this
to-
is put to challenge.
Yes.
Okay.
Lordship.
Join the so and so, Sunpura. And therefore, the instant writ petition need no longer be pursued. Then Mr. So and so, learned counsel for
Yes.
the respondents is also present. First of all, on hearing the submissions made by the learned counsels, this board find it fit to dispose of the writ petition number 309 AP 2025 on withdrawal.
Let us kindly indicate the joining report.
Okay, joined the place of posting, okay, on,
13th.
no, it is 28 May.
No,
No,
Lordship.
by order, okay, on
Because-
13/10/2025.
Yes, Lordship.
And the copy of the joining report placed maybe form as
The copy of the joining report, is produced before the court is to mark, is to be marked as X and made a part of it.
and forming part of the record. Grateful.
Item number 25.
25, Lordship, service report in respect of private respondent number 3 is still available.
Okay, Mr. So and so, learned counsel for the petitioner is present along with Ms. So and so, learned government advocate for the state respondents. Just saying that service report upon respondent number 3 is still awaited. Be of the above list after 3 weeks.
Deeply obliged.
Item number 36.
Otherwise, the service upon the private respondent is still awaited. Your lordship will kindly see the last order, that is 24/9/2025 and 26/9/2025. Around 26/9/2025, this honorable court was pleased to grant an interim order because there was an assurance made by the authorities that the authorities have called for the tender documents and they will review and take a decision. Madam. So they are supposed to take a decision. Madam.
So
And
what
till that
happened?
time, the tender was not to be finalized.
Yes. Okay. We need some time. Okay, so you were supposed to scrutinize
Scrutinize.
all the detail.
Yes. But the petitioners,
But still needs time.
yes, they need time.
We'll fix some.
My lord.
Mr. So-and-so, the counsel for the petitioner is present along with Ms. So-and-so, the government advocate. For the state respondents. The learned government advocate has prayed for further time to take steps in terms of this court's order dated 26/09/2025. Uh, 2025, okay, in view of the book list after, when, 2 weeks? 2 weeks.
Can it be on 25/11?
Okay, list after 2 weeks on 25/11/2025.
My lord will also indicate that the service upon respondent number
Meanwhile, we
7,
await
8 and 9
return
are awaited.
of, We may wait for return of service upon respondents number
7, 8 and 9.
What about 6?
Oh, sorry,
Six,
6 also.
7, 8
6,
and 9.
6 also.
Oh, 25th is holiday, then,
Or on 24th.
okay, on list on 24th.
24th.
20. Yes.
Item number 27.
27 of the same. Here,
Same order,
same order, the respondent number would be different.
await for service report from respondents number
Respondent number here would be
6,
6, 7 and 8.
8. Yes.
Item number 28.
28 of here respondent number. Yes. Here the respondent number would be,
Challenging this thing, huh?
my lord. Different packages.
Hmm.
6
Okay.
and 7.
This is 6 and 7.
6 and
Rest.
in all this, my lord, the interim order may be continued. There
Is
is
there
an
an
interim-
interim order?
Yes, yes.
Let's,
2609 will order the last portion, my lord will find.
okay. In all the petitions, meanwhile, interim order shall continue till the next date of this. Interim order passed earlier. Okay, shall continue till the next date.
Grateful, well.
Item number 31.
My lord, this hearing matter,
Minister Samaji,
my lord. This is some other day.
Minister Samaji. Still have one, see, the sport will be.
I understand, my lord,
tomorrow.
your lordship has
Day
indicated.
after, I'll have to leave early,
Yes.
so
As per my learned friend's convenience, I.
fix any date as per the convenience of both of you. Was it
13,
heard
11.
sometime before?
It was heard, in fact, my learned friend was supposed to file an affidavit, that has come now.
Okay,
In fact, let it be on 13, my lord, if required, I will file a reply to that also.
okay, on the submissions made by the learned councils for both the parties, this is the matter on
13 November.
13/11/2025.
Interim order.
Meanwhile, interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next day.
Bye.